Hello, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to be making what I call my pot roast stew here. And this is one of those meals that I declare if you don't want your company coming back, don't feed it to them, because they will be back time after time for this. And so first thing I'm going to do is cut this thing up into chunks. That's a little bit too big. Like that. One too small either, you know. So, okay, now I've got this all chopped up, and by the way, this is about a 2-pound chuck roast I've got here. So next I'm going to put it in this bowl. I'll take some of this Montreal steak grill mate seasoning and put in it here. Now these spices you really have to just do by taste, you know. I mean, different people like it seasoned different ways, and I know about the way we like it seasoned, so that's the way I do it. Now next I'm going to put some of this grinder salt in there. I'm going to put a few shakes of this black pepper in there. And now we're going to mix it all up. Make sure everybody's got some. Okay, now, next thing we're going to do, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set for about 6 hours. Maybe a little longer, but no less than 6. You could get by with 4, but you know, you could get by with overnight too, it'd be even better. So, I'll put this in the fridge and let it set for about 6 hours. Okay, now it's about to give me time to put all this stuff in the pot here, because the meat's been sitting in there marinating for about 7 hours. So I've got this bag of carrots here. I'm going to put, this is a 2-pound bag. I'm going to put 1 pound of carrots in it. I got these 3 stalks of celery here I'm going to cut and put in it. I got these potatoes here. Some people call them little potatoes, some people call them new potatoes. The small potatoes I'm going to put in there. I got this huge onion here I'm going to put in there. And I've got a can of cream of mushroom soup here I'm going to put in it. So let me get started cutting this stuff up and I'll be back. Okay, now of course I'll wash all this the celery sticks and I'm going to wash the carrots and the potatoes, and I'll cut off the ends of them here. So I just didn't want you wondering about that, because that's what I'm doing next. So if I do anything else important, I'll let you know. Okay, now I just want to show you the way I cut this onion up. I peeled it and I cut it in half. And I just like to get this little hard piece out of where the root was at. And be careful doing this and don't cut your hands off. I just throw that in the garbage. Now I'll just take my onion that's got a good surface lay on it. It's nice and flat and it's not going to move around on you. I don't want the pieces too small, because you know onions cook down anyway. So, and I'll just do them like this. I'll get ready to put them in the pot if I want to. I can just take and start doing them like this, you know, and they'll just come right out. This onions here will make some delicious onion rings, by the way. I might have to try those a little bit later. I don't have time right now though, so get moving. I had to rethink my carrot deal, because those carrots, believe it or not, was bad in that bag. I don't know what's happened to them, unless they laid out in the sun or something, but they were real slimy and not good at all. And so, just so happens I've got a few of these left in the fridge. And so, cut these up. Just be a little bit of more delay, but you won't notice it, because you won't be here. You'll be somewhere else. Okay, now I'm about ready to get this stuff started in this pot here. And so the first thing we need to do, let me get over here so you can see, is nothing like being organized, is you gotta turn on the power. Alright, we'll hit sear saute. We're gonna leave it on high. Now just because you do this, don't think that pot's gonna get hot. Because if you don't hit the start button, it'll sit here all day long and not get hot. And I know, being as I'm telling you that, you know I've done it before. So anyway, while that's heating up, I'm going to get my oil ready. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of olive oil down the bottom of this pot. Pretty warm because I can smell the olive oil. I'm going to take this roast I chopped up this morning and put down in there. I'll stir it around and you hear it start to sizzle. Looks good already, don't it? So, let's see here. Okay, now I'm going to put this onion down in there. Just going to spread it out a little bit here. Put it in there any way it wants to go. Now I still got it on sear, but all the meat's about seared, so it's time to do this. Told you that was a big onion. But now the onions cooked down, they're off about. If you're not careful, they'll just go away into nothing. I think this is enough where it won't go away into nothing. Maybe. I'm going to put this creamy mushroom soup in here. Good old Campbell's. And now I've got this cup of beef broth I'm going to put down in here. And now I'll put turn the sear off. Alright, now I'll put the pressure lid on. Make sure you turn your knob here to seal. Put it down just like that so it falls down into place. Turn it clockwise. Then you come back down here and you turn on the power. You go up here, hit pressure, and go leave it on high, and go over here and put 20 minutes on it. All right, now we'll hit the start button. Now, the little lights, as you know, will chase each other around. Now, it's already pretty warm in there, so it shouldn't take a really long time to come up to pressure, but we'll see. So anyway, be back in a few minutes. While you got a chance, if you ain't, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you very much, all you people that have watched my videos. About 8 or 9 minutes, and you can see the red little button fixing to jump up there. In a second now. And there it came. And so now you move back over here, and you notice those little red light or little lights keep on chasing each other around. And they'll do that for a couple minutes, and then they'll start counting down to 20 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, now we're down about 20 seconds here to go. And now when this gets down to the end, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick release. And then we'll put all my veggies in there. And we'll go cook it for 15 minutes. We'll go pressure cook it again for 15 minutes. And that should be enough to get everything done. Now it says done. So I'm going to go up here and hit this release. Okay, now as you can see, it's been releasing here for about 2.5 minutes, and the steam has really slowed down a whole lot. It's still hot. You don't want to put your hand over it like that. Pretty warm. So anyway, it should be dropping in just another minute or so. And I know I probably say it too much, but you would not believe the aroma coming out of this pot. So we'll take a look at it in a second and see. Okay, shortly it's about to drop now. It's been 4 minutes and 45 seconds, and there went the pin. So now let's open this thing up and see what it looks like in here. Turn it counterclockwise. Make sure you turn it away from your face. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Raise it up just a little bit more here. Oh geez. That looks great, just like it is. Now, okay, now I got a couple cans of these Rotel tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and we'll put in over the green chili peppers. Just like that, and I'm going to do another one just like that, except I'm going to drain the next one, drain the juice off of it first. Okay, now we'll dump this celery in here. And the carrots. And the potatoes. Now, if you're wondering about me getting to the full mark in this pot, it's starting to get a little close. So, this is enough. This is just right, exactly what we needed. Alright. I could actually put some more stuff in there, but we're going to leave it the way it is now. We're going to get our pressure lid back over here. Put it on, set it to seal. Now you have to, on this side, you have to turn the power. I had to turn the power all the way to off so it can recycle. So now you turn on the power again and you hit your pressure, leave it on high, and you go for 15 minutes, excuse me. And you hit start. Okay, now it really shouldn't take very long this time since it's already as hot as it is in there. Okay, now the red button just popped up in the back and it's starting to run around here and chase those lights again. Tell you the truth, it took about as long this time as it did the first time when it was cold. So, you know, about 8 minutes each time, letting it come up to pressure. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, now we've got about 4 minutes left on this cook, so Kay decided she wanted some of this New York, Texas toast with real garlic on it for dinner, so we'll get us out about 3 pieces of that and put in this toaster oven over here. So we got me 3 pieces of toast on this rack here, and we'll put them in there. Close the lid, and then we'll set the timer here in a minute for about 3 minutes. Of course, it probably won't take more than 3 or 4 minutes, so we'll be back in a second. Time we're down to about 12 seconds on this cook here, so it's not going to be but a minute or two before we put this thing on quick release and let it out. And there it goes, says stop or cook done. I'll get it right in a minute. So the next thing we'll do is move up here and we'll hit the vent like we've been doing. For about 2.5 minutes. And it still sounds like it's coming out pretty good. In the meantime, we've got our Cuisinart toaster oven over here going. It's getting our toast ready. So everything should come together about the same time. You can see it's been venting now for about 4.5 minutes. And it's still coming up pretty good. So, it'll stop eventually, I hope. Okay, now the red button just now fell and you can see it's at 7 minutes and 49 seconds. So, now we're going to come over here and open this lid. And you know the drill, always turn it away from you. Oh boy, look at that. Now that looks good right there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now the only thing I'm really worried about is a couple of these, maybe, well, not worried about them, I just want to make sure. Carrots, and the little potatoes are done here. I'm gonna set them over here. Plastic cork does on them. Oh, it just goes right in that carrot, perfect. Ah, hot, hot, hot. Hang on, wait a second. Now I cut these potatoes here with my fork. There's a piece of the beef. I'm going to tell you right now, if you have people over for dinner and you don't want them to come back, don't feed them this. Because they will come back every time you ask them for dinner. Yeah, it's delicious. Got our Texas toast over here. I burnt one corner over there. Anyway, that's the way it goes now. We got a whole lot of stuff in this pot and we got to eat it all, so I need to get started on it. So thanks for watching our video again, and I hope you come back and watch more of them, because I'm going to try to make as many of them as I can. So until then, y'all be safe, have a good day, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye, and stay tuned for just a second. I'm going to show you a plate after we fix one. Okay, and there it is. That's the plate of this pot roast stew. So hope y'all try some of this sometime, because it sure is good. Like I say, your neighbors are going to be beating down your doors if you ever let them try it one time, so keep them away from it. So that's about it for this video, and thanks a lot again for watching. So we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye now.
Let's do a count.